Well, tell us about it. How exactly does it work?
Okay, well, when a call comes in, we have our typical dispatch that we normally get, but on top of that now we have the layer of the Active911. So, whereas typically on a dispatch we may get very brief general information about the run, now we can get detailed information that was given directly to the dispatcher.
And that's available by clicking into one of these?
That's available in here, and the information is displayed exactly what was told to the dispatcher, which is oftentimes more information than can be relayed through our radio communications. So now all members, whether it be on their phone or the iPad or even in-house with our monitors, can see a much more detailed nature of the call. We can also see the exact location of the call on the map. We can, if it's a fire call, we can see hydrant locations. So that's very important to us, and that's something that we never had available to us before.
What are the pieces involved of bringing this system to your members here at the fire department?
Okay.
There's some iPads, I know that.
Yeah, all the units now have iPads placed in them. So that gives us an immediate display, and we can see exactly what we're doing right there on the iPad.
Okay.
Most members, I would say we're above 90% of the members now have smartphones and have the system activated on there. So they also get it on their phone.
So there's a mobile application.
Mobile application on their
perfect.
phones, which is a redundancy, but it's good because every member now has the information, whether it be the address or the nature of the call, right in their fingertips. So if there's something that someone might not have seen, someone else might catch it on their device.
What was the cost? I mean, to me this sounds, when I first heard about it, sounds very, very expensive when we're talking about iPads and everything involved with that. But really, how much did it cost?
Well, the total cost was just over $8,600 for the whole department.
That's pretty economical.
That's very economical when you compare it to some of the other systems in use in other cities. It's a small fraction of what's cost, and considering what we're getting out of it, it's a big payout.
That's amazing.
The other big benefit of Active911 is being able to see locations of different units and see what their status is. In a fire incident or an EMS incident, it's very important that we know where people are and where they're coming from. You know, we've lost a couple companies here in the past couple years, so it's very important to know who's coming where they're coming from, and how we can utilize them in the fire ground. As far as the other services that are built into this, as far as paging members, absolutely is we believe a step ahead of what we had previously. So now we can page all members in one shot. All members receive the page within 10 seconds of the call, and members can respond accordingly based on the information given in the page. So we can get more information than we typically would, or in the past we would have.